I am obsessed with whales and everything connected to them. And to make such a whale, we will need a punched pocket, on which we will pour epoxy resin, dried petals of cornflowers, which we will trim using scissors, a piece of paper and a pencil to draw the shape of the future pendant, a chain and a bail, to work with which we can do without pliers, and also tweezers and an awl, which I forgot to put there. The first thing is to draw a circle of the desired size. You can use a pair of compasses or just to circle something using a pencil. Then put the stencil under the punched pocket. You should protect the surface on which you work. After it, you can pour the epoxy resin. Don't make a thick layer, otherwise the resin will spread beyond the desired shape. We will pour more resin on the pendant several times anyway. Let your resin harden a bit, otherwise the pattern which you make will lose its shape. And in the meantime, we sort the cornflower petals, choosing the prettiest ones, and cut off their light-colored ends. And also, I always pick the loveliest petals for the tail to put them on top according to this very shape. Then, using tweezers, we place these very petals in the shape of a whale. First, I make a contour using thin petals, and then fill it with those which are thicker. When you're ready with your cornflower design, put something on the whale to protect it from dust and leave it till it's dry. If your circle spread out anyway, it's alright, no big deal, because you can fix it using small scissors by cutting off the excess. I always take manicure scissors in such cases. And all the rough sides you have after cutting, you can smooth using a new layer of epoxy resin. We put the whale on the punch pocket again, and be very sure that you have protected your table, and then pour a new layer of resin. The resin won't lay evenly from the first try, that's why I always add one more layer after it. When your whale is done and you are happy with the result, you have to attach a bail to the pendant. For this, I heat an awl first and make a hole in the pendant. Don't press your awl hard, it's better to screw it in. It will reduce the risk of damaging the pendant and the chance of breaking off the tiny piece above the hole. It's better to make a hole from both sides, a little bit from behind and a little bit in the front. And in the end, using pliers, we open the bail and slip it in the hole. After that, you should close the bail. threading the chain through, and voila, everything is done. I wish you success in your art. Never be afraid of trying something new. Love you this much. Bye!